Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. In today's video recipe, I'm going to show you cheese stuffed Mirchi Bajji. This turned out excellent. It's a fusion recipe, I really enjoyed it. If you're hosting any parties, this is a great starter or a great snack. I've laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. All the ingredients and measurements will also be listed in the description box below this video. I'll be using banana peppers for this recipe, a combination of mozzarella and cheddar cheese, boiled and crumbled potato, chickpea flour and all-purpose flour, which is Maida, which is already sifted and reserved, chili powder, oregano and parsley for the potato. For the batter, I'll be using chili powder, carom seed, cooking soda, that is soda bicarb, and asafoetida. I've also placed oil for frying on very low flame. It has to reach temperature. So I'll start preparing the batter first. The batter has to rest for 5 minutes. I've already sifted the chickpea flour and all-purpose flour. So for the batter, I've added carom seed powder, chili powder, asafoetida, soda bicarb and salt. I'll also add 2 tablespoons of hot oil. And I'll combine all the ingredients first. Gradually I'll add water little by little. And I'll give this a good mix. Normally we don't have any measurements for all these recipes. It's all just eyeballing and using your hands to prepare the batter. So for the video purpose, I had to do all the measurements. Make sure there are no lumps. Normally we are used to using our hands to prepare this batter. Try to use a balloon whisk or make sure you use your hands itself. For the video purpose, I'm using a spoon here. I'll just allow this batter to rest for 5 minutes on the kitchen counter itself. The batter should be slightly thinner than the pancake batter. When you dip your finger, the batter should coat your finger. So now I'll allow this to rest while I prep my banana peppers. These banana peppers are already washed thoroughly twice, patted dry, and using scissors and snipping out a little bit of that stem part because it's very fibrous and you cannot eat it. I'll also be slitting the banana peppers in half and removing all these seeds from inside. So we have to stuff it inside. We need to remove all the seeds inside. Remove as many as possible. These banana peppers were very tender. Our landlady or our house owner sent this banana peppers to us. It was all grown in her farm. So it was very tender and fresh. Now I'll start preparing the stuffing. In a mixing bowl, I've added cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese, potato, chili powder, oregano and parsley. You can also use chili flakes, salt as per taste. I'll combine all the ingredients. So here in India, we have a traditional potato-filled Mirchi Bajji also, which I'll be featuring it in my upcoming videos. Now I'm going to fill the banana peppers with the filling. All the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. For a detailed recipe, you can also visit my blog. I've got many recipes and reviews posted on my blog. Blog link will be in the description box below this video. or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. All my social media handle links will also be in the description box below this video. The same recipes are also posted in YouTube channel. YouTube channel link will also be in the description box below this video. Now once I'm using my hands, I'm getting to know the consistency, how much the batter should be, thin or thick. So I'm just adjusting it with a little bit of water. The batter has rested for 5 to 10 minutes at this point. I'll start preparing the fritters. I'm going to take the banana pepper, dip it in the batter and start frying it in the hot oil. Make sure you are doing this in a very careful mode. Once you dip your banana pepper, just rotate it and shake off all the excess batter and then drop it in the hot oil. People who are preparing it for the first time, you can use skewers or you can use forks. Just prick your banana pepper in the fork or the skewer, then dip it in the batter and start frying it. Now this is on very low to medium flame. I placed this on medium flame at this point. I'll be frying the peppers for 2 minutes on each side. I'll constantly keep stirring this and frying it for 2 minutes on each side. So there's an entire playlist of how to prepare bajjis and bondas, pakoras, vadas in the YouTube playlist. I'll link the playlist in the iCard above this video. Or you can also visit my blog. In the blog I've got a detailed playlist. This is a fusion recipe, so we don't use oregano, parsley or cheese inside the banana peppers. It's very new. Normally if you stuff only cheese, the cheese will ooze out. So using a potato base will help the cheese to stay inside, and it will also give that good filling. I've experimented with cheese a lot, so I know how to work with cheese now. I don't want the cheese to melt and ooze out in the oil and then start splattering. I've used tiny amount of potato, not a lot of potato. There's a lot of cheese inside this. You can also use bell peppers for the stuffing. Finely chop bell peppers, and you can use bell peppers, or you can use peas also for the stuffing. It will be very nice. Kids especially will really like it because it's got cheese and potato in it. If you want to make this a complete vegan recipe, avoid the cheese. Now I'm preparing the second batch in the same way. I'm dipping the banana peppers in batter and gently dropping it in hot oil and frying it. So once the banana peppers have fried to all sides, I'm going to drain it from the excess oil and start serving it. I served it with some tomato ketchup and a cheese sauce. The recipe in detail will be posted on my blog, friends. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. All the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. The same recipes are also posted in YouTube channel. YouTube channel link will also be in the description box below this video. I thoroughly enjoyed this banana peppers and I enjoyed the cheese filling inside. It paired very well with masala chai. So do give this recipe a try and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. All the links to my blog and social media will be in the description box below this video. I've got a detailed playlist which I'll be linking here. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.